Now this model kit review is of the Pontiac GTO, the Super Stocker, and it's a 1/25th scale model by MPC. Here are some details or features about the car, and that's the decal sheet, some vinyl tires. There's the parts listing. So let's have a look inside. I don't really see any dimensions listed anywhere there. Quite a number of sprues here to look through. Okay, well let's start off here with the body. That's the classic GTO body there. Lights have been covered up here for the racing series, and looks like they've plated the door handle as well, just for extra strength. Fairly nicely molded body there. Over here we've got our chrome parts with the so the valve covers and some additional engine parts, as well as our bumper there. Here we've got our tires, big fat tires with some decent tread. They're kind of actually nice and soft, even though they're made out of vinyl. And they've got the Goodyear painted on them with some nice tread there. Okay, our glass, front and back, no side glass, decent molding there. Okay, let's open these up here. Here is our hood. As you can see, it's an older model kit, so we do have all this flashing here. And then looks like maybe our firewall. That's part of our dashboard there. Not sure what that is. Here are our wheels, and the insides of those wheels too for the axles. Here's our seat, and for our sway bar, some suspension parts there. Looks like a fire extinguisher, some engine parts. There's our oil pan, fan, carburetor, and some hoses and so on. Here are our exhausts. We have some mold lines that will need to be removed. Looks like part of the rear of our chassis. So there's the front of the chassis there. Engine mounts going to go in there, transmission tunnel, and I'm guessing that's probably going to go like there somewhere. Okay, here is our roll cage with the netting, quite nicely molded there. Got a battery, air intake, and the rest of the engine and transmission belts and so on. Let's have a look at these sprues here. Well, more parts for the frame. Lots of frame parts here for the roll cage as well. These cross members here. There's our that's our drive shaft there, and probably our exhaust covers there. There's a battery right there. Steering column, drive shaft. Never seen that before in a model, but that's pretty cool. This looks like part of the rear part of the interior. We've got our rear axle and some leaf springs. And then over here we've got our steering wheel and our radiator. I'm not sure, this might be probably our engine firewall there. And then other parts that have fallen off. Okay, let's have a look. We've got some decals here. Oh, those are beautifully printed. Look at that. Nice, good quality decals. Okay, our instructions here. This says here you can snap together, but you can glue them. I prefer to glue it. Start off with here with our wheels and tire, and then we go to building the body with the glass. Got a front bumper and rear bumper. We put our chassis together with the battery and the rear interior frame in there. It's for taking a hard hit, I guess. Rebuild the engine. And exhaust going on there, starter motor and so on. Okay, now we're putting the steering rack together. Rear axle there, rear suspension going on, and then all the additional pieces. Our firewall with the pedal box, and our steering column, the radiator and front frame going on. Lots of detail here. We mount the engine as well as the seat and interior. Not a whole lot for this because it's a stock car. We put our roll cage together, and the front supports there. Actually, sorry, there's the under supports there. And then this is to cover up that area and provide additional support for impact from the side. And we put the rest of the roll cage together as well as the rear support. That's the rear fuel tank. You can see there's the fuel pump. And then the body. This all gets mounted along with the hood. And there's the decals. So all in all, obviously this is an older kit. So that definitely shows, but some great details and some good decals.